Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you how to get the Archangel in Sailor Peace. This is the brand new Archangel Race, and I've found a Sailor Peace code that you can use right now, and it's going to unlock all races in Sailor Peace. Before I show you this, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I am doing a huge Robux giveaway, and to enter you simply have to like and subscribe, and I'm going to be giving tons of Robux gift cards away. So let's get into it and show you how to get to the secret Archangel Race in Sailor Peace fast and for free. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser, and I'm gonna head on over to this website. So use your mobile. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well, of course, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. Crash Coupons is a game code website, so they have hundreds of pages. So you're going to want to use the search bar, guys, to search for Sailor Peace. This is the Sailor Peace codes page here. Now, the code that's going to get you the Archangel Race is this one. Sailor Peace Roblox unlock all races. So this is literally going to get you every single race, and that does include the brand new Archangel Race. And it only takes a few minutes, so this is going to save you so much grind in the game. It's going to allow you to basically save a bunch of time. So these are limited codes, and you can see your Sailor Peace code to unlock all races is locked. As you can see, it says locked. You need to unlock it, guys, by clicking this button, and you just got to follow the instructions on this screen here. It is really easy. I did this earlier. Took me about 5 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the offers on this page, and these basically are free mobile applications, free mobile games and surveys. And you just got to make sure you read the text, because that tells you how to complete each task. And yeah, take your time. It's going to take about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it. Once you fully complete 2 of the tasks you see, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Sailor Peace code will be revealed. So you redeem it. That is going to unlock all races. And that is how to get Archangel in Sailor Peace. And that is working right now, guys. So go to Crash Coupons, and it's pretty easy. Yeah, I'll rate this 5 stars once I do this. But yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm doing that huge Robux giveaway, so make sure you do like and subscribe. They do have other Sailor Peace codes as well, so I highly recommend you check out Crash Coupons, and I'll see you in the next one.